afternoon. We are live on FeviCreate. Happy Sunday. Can you see us? Can you get some highs if you can see us?
I wanted to tell you, yay, we're back with another one.
We're back with another one and we're going to have a lot of fun this Sunday.
By the way, Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Say yes if you say yes if you if it's Father's Day for you. I wanna see a little.
Hi Swati, I can see you. I have another device here. I can see you all joining in. Hi Rakesh. Hi Swati. Hi Aditi. Can we get a lot of highs if you guys are watching? Hi Jocelyn.
Hi.
Hey, that's the way to go.
You already know my name.
Hi Sunita.
If you're guessing my name, sorry, you already know my name. So can we move on to that? Move on.
Hi Sabu. Hi.
Hi, Sabu.
How are you guys doing? How's your Sunday going on? Hi Jessie. Hi Sunita. Can you see the messages here? Yay! You can see the messages. We are live with you.
Hi, hi.
Hi Siva.
Hi.
Hi Neelu. How are you guys doing?
So many highs. This is what my mother wanted. Thank you. This is what my mother wanted.
Yes. Now we can get started. Hi little champ. Somebody is saying. Rakesh is saying. Say hi to Rakesh.
Hi, Rakesh.
Okay, so wonderful. We are here today and I am Simrat and I have with me my funny little boy. His name is Ayansh. So we are here on FeviCreate. Hi Siva. We are here on FeviCreate. And what is FeviCreate?
It's a brand where we have to make a video and play with clay.
We can play with craft. FeviCreate is your one-stop shop for all your crafting needs.
Give me this.
It's brought to you by Pidilite, the makers of Fevicol, FeviCreate, Fevikwik, Fevistick and a lot of iconic brands. And FeviCreate is your a unique program which is made by Pidilite to enhance your creativity.
Look, I gave it a hat.
And engage in overall development by crafting.
Cool.
Yay! So I'm going to keep this screen here so that I can see all your lovely messages. Yeah, you can see that. When somebody is messaging you, I will show you. Yeah. So we're back here on a Sunday. What are we going to do today?
I love all of you since you all are so nice.
Yeah, thank you for coming. Thank you for crafting with us today.
Thank you for coming every day. If you already have came every day, and if you haven't,
what are we going to do? So I was asking, what are we going to do? But before we tell you what are we going to do, we are going to tell you what day is it today.
Father's Day.
It's so Sunday and the most special Sunday of the year. Like what Ayan said, it is the Father's Day. And Father's Day is the third Sunday of June. And so today we are going to make something which is cute and crafty for the most favorite person in your life. Your daddy, your papa.
Yes, but you also are.
I'm also my favorite. Yes, thank you so much. But let's make something for Papa today. He'll be so happy with it. Yeah. So, you guys made something for your Papa. How was your day? What did you all do today? And before that, tell me something. What do you call your Papa? Because Papa, I think, is somebody who has very cool names. Like people call him Pop, Papa, Daddy, Dadu, Dada. There are like so many cool names which you can give your Papa.
You can even.
Hi Sunita. So can you tell me what do you call your Pop? Can I get some comments on that?
Okay. Can I tell what I call my
Yes.
Papa? I call him Papi.
Yes. My kids call their Papa Papi. What What do you call your papa? What do you call your papa? Can we have a little name? So can we have a little comment? Yay!
Mama.
Hi Kameshwar. Hi Sunita. Hi Vijeta.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
You know how day before the last day, it was
Yes.
yeah, someone told that she called her father Puppy.
Puppy. Dada.
Like a
Papu.
puppy, like a
Appa.
puppy.
So cute. Nana. Papa. Nana. So amazing.
another
Dada.
name you can
Even
call
I call my papa Dada.
Since he is technically my dada.
Yes. And everybody calls him that now.
Mama,
Yes.
can I tell you that you can also call your father
Fan, pops. Nana, very nice, amazing. So your papa, one of the most important people in your life, let's craft something special for him today. So he's working, right? He works usually at a desk where he has a lot of stuff.
yeah,
right?
but we are gonna make one thing where he can put his pencils and
You can put
pens
pens in it. So we're going to make
Batman one.
a pen holder for him, so that when he's working, all his stuff is super organized. And when you're super organized, you work fast, you work more efficiently, you are more productive. So all of that is going to happen with our crafting today. So what do we need for a craft? What do we need? What do we need? Tell them.
Okay, we need a lot of glue. Show her.
We need Fevicol A plus.
We need so much glue.
We need Fevicol also.
We need Fevicrate. We need quick.
And we need the most amazing
clay.
The Fevicol.
Almost every day we use clay.
Yes, almost every day we are crafting something with the clay, because this is the creative clay which
Look,
never
I'm using-
hardens.
Look, I'm using them as in whole.
Already amazing. This clay never hardens.
See,
We can
that-
keep using it again and
And
again.
again and again and
And you
again
also
and
need
again.
a tissue paper holder. Like you have this tissue paper holder, kitchen towel holder, so you can take the inside of it when this is used, and we can use that. If you don't have that, we can also use an old bottle, any old
Or
bottle.
if you don't want to use a big old bottle, you can take some what is this?
Tissue paper roll.
Yes, but
You can take a cardboard also.
you can take cardboard and then glue it on the side to make it a circle.
Yes,
So
to
you
make
can
it like
put
a
the stuff.
pipe. So you remember what we do when we are crafting? When we are crafting, we use a lot of material which is available in your home. So you'll make this beautiful little craft for your father as a Father Day gift from everything which is available at home.
Everything nice, yeah.
Yes, and what happens when we use everything which is nice? We reuse and we
Everything
recycle.
Yeah. Brush your teeth.
Okay, so we are recycling. So what are we going to do is we're going to use this amazing clay. So what do we start? We start with making a template. A template of how
See,
the
I want-
Batman is going to be. Because your father is your superhero.
If you think your superheroes you like is the ones you watch, no, that's wrong.
Yes, your father is your real life superhero. So what we're going to do is
You
we're
have
going to take...
gave real people superpowers.
Yes.
To be your dad.
Yes. So if you take your tissue paper holder, what you're going to do is you're going to use that as a size. You have to cut that in a size of approximately 4.5 inches. So the width can be as per whatever the width of the tissue holder is. The more the width, the more pens will come. The less the width, you can make 2, 3, and then you can organize your pen. Hi Sheetal, how are you doing? So we are here today on Fevicrate website, and we're making a craft for Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Yeah. So what you'll take is you need clay, you need tissue
I
paper,
love
roll,
Father's Day.
and you can take any plastic paper like your plastic sheet or your plastic folders that you have. You can use that as a base to make your craft clays. So what we're going to do now is we are going to have to make a little drawings. We'll make drawings from any paper. From any paper, we'll make a drawing.
We are making the Batman one.
We're making the Batman one. And how is the Batman? The Batman has the cape, the black cape, which looks like a triangle. So we will make a triangle image out on the paper like this. This is your triangle image. So this triangle image will be made as per the size of your tissue paper holder. And we'll also make this little strip of clay and a broader clay. So whatever we want, we will trace that down. And when we trace that down, we are going to use our clay. And as you see, the base, the t-shirt, the dress that the Batman is wearing is grey. Now we have this beautiful clay which is there.
We have to, I know how you can get grey clay.
Yeah, we don't have grey in it. What do we do?
Oh, I know.
Tell me.
I'll take out one color we need and you take the other color we need. I'll take out black and you take out white. I know you're like, hey, that's not the color we need.
Yeah, that's not the color we need. So how do we get the color we need?
Just see.
So we will take black and white. Let's see what is Ayansh up to. Take Ayansh black and white.
I am always naughty and I always have something to do.
So we will take black and white.
Thank you.
Let's see what he's doing. Oh, he's mixing it up. Isn't that interesting?
A black, white makes if you mix white with any color, it will make the color a lighter shade. So if we mix it with black, it will become grey. And grey is a lighter shade of black. So can you help me with this?
Yes, so if you mix any two colors, you remember we talked about primary colors and secondary colors in one of our episodes. How do you make secondary colors? You mix the colors, and that is the same magic you can get with your creative clay. That is, you can combine two clays and you mix them. It is very good for your hands and your motor skills. Your little fingers are developing with it. And you're getting an amazing new color out of it. See,
Cool.
it's slowly getting there.
And this is my idea. And
Oh, wow. So imagine you have this set of colors, but you can keep mixing them and keep making so many new colors out of it. And then what will happen? Our grey color will be ready. So when our grey color is ready,
can we use white for other things than just mixing a dark shade of color and making it a lighter shade? Well, yes. Can I tell you?
yes, tell me fast.
Okay. You can also use white as in color like this. You know black, right?
Yeah.
Well, if you, and white paper, right?
Hmm.
Well, if you draw on white paper and you're a child, you will see that the paper is, the writing is clean. The paper
Writing is clean, very
it's
good.
more cleaner.
More
so
cleaner.
If you are drawing in like a picture book and you draw somewhere, draw white in somewhere place you want to draw a different color, you can draw everywhere the other colors, and then if you reach the white place,
Wonderful.
it will become lighter. So you can erase it like with white, because white works also as an eraser.
Wonderful.
Then
So
you
our
can draw
grey
the
color
you
is
want.
ready. Our grey color is ready. So what we'll do when our grey color is ready?
We
We'll
will
take the
make
roller.
it.
We'll take the amazing roller and we will roll it
It's
out.
so
We will flatten it
amazing.
out. Chalo, Ayanshi, chalo.
Thank you.
First, what you do is the best tip to make a flatten it out is first you make like a ball. You make it like a ball, then you press it a little bit. And then you put it on any surface and you start rolling it. So when you start
think I
rolling
have to roll
it
it.
makes it a very good and an even surface that you get out of it. Amazing. And this is a craft for our
I'm making
superhero of our
food.
life. The superhero is your papa. Your dada, your papa. So what all fun activities you like to do with your papa? Hi Manjula. Hi Kameshwar.
Well, me.
Hi Vijita. Hi Monimala.
I like.
Hi Sunita. So what all do you like to do with your papa? What
I
all
like
activities
playing
you
with
like
my
to?
Papa.
Yes, you like playing.
I
What
like,
do you?
I like going on walks with Papa. I like going to the mall with Papa. I like going to tennis class with Papa. I like watching movies with Papa. Anyways, it's ready.
It's ready. And what do you like to play? Shiva likes to play with papa. That's amazing. What
I
else do you
also
do?
do.
What else do you do?
I'll
So
say
what we'll do is we will cut it.
Like
So
I
when
do.
the clay is ready, we will take a scale and we will just mark it out. Ayash, look at that. We will mark it out like this. With the scale only, you put a little pressure and you mark out. You mark out the page that you want to cut. Hi Vijita, to play with Dada, to play with Dada. Dada is your universal playmate. Amazing. So what you do is, see, people can use cutter. You can use a cutter to cut it. You can use plain scissors to cut it. I usually like to use a scissor. I keep a scissors which is dedicated to only clay. So we can cut it with scissors. Yes, baby. So we'll cut it with scissors
Oh no, I
so that it is
I caused
uniform. And when it is uniform, what are we going to do is, we are going to apply some Fevicol on it. Ayash, can you help me apply Fevicol?
a shot. No, I by accidentally crushed it. So
Oh, okay. Forget about that. Take this step. So we're going to apply Fevicol on the
I'm going to use Fevicol
bottom half.
because remember I told you if both of them work together, they'll easily become the strongest.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put it on the edges you haven't put it.
Wow. Ayansh will use Fevicol A+, because Fevicol A+ is your super glue for crafting.
And
So you see what it did? I just rolled it on the paper, on my tissue paper roll like this. So beautiful cover has come up. You see the cover which was there, a tissue paper roll. It is also we can cut. Yes, you can cut it also. Sharp scale, yes. You can cut it with a sharp scale also. You can do so many amazing things with it. So what I'll do is, can you take yellow, Ayansh, now? Can we roll a little bit yellow?
Sure.
Because we use a lot of yellow and we are using yellow with our...
Let me finish my.
Hi
black
Sunita,
one.
Sridhar. We can see your comments also. Can we have a little highs, a little
We already
thumbs
got so
up?
much high.
Yay! Can you have any questions? You can come up with your questions also. So we'll add a
I have
little
a
yellow
question.
base to it.
How are we going to make the eyes now?
We are going to come to the eyes. We are going to
And
come to
Dave
the
with my
eyes.
hat.
Batman has a hat.
No, he
Ouch.
doesn't.
Where is the yellow one?
Oh, I have it.
So we will take out the yellow one
I'm just
and
stretching it so it won't be hard to do anymore.
till the time my aunt is you doing the yellow one, I will take another box and I will take out the.
Look at it.
Do that. Do that. Aunt's having a lot of fun. The clay, the creative clay.
It's a
There's
little
so many
hard
ways you
for
can
mine.
use it, and there's so many things that you can do with it. I'm taking the black one and I'm going to make the triangle out of it. So as I'm making the triangle, Ayanch is rolling the yellow one. Where was the yellow one? I need the yellow one. Roll it. Hello Drashti. Hello Sunita. Hello Viniti. Hello Priyanka. How are you guys doing?
Mommy,
How did you spend your Father's Day?
Mama.
So you know what, Ayanch? How was Father's Day started? So before that, okay. So this yellow is coming up. I will use this and I will...
You were also doing yellow?
Yes, I was also doing
Wow.
yellow. Because we have time and we will make
I
a...
how I took the I took the whole thing.
Yes, I took out another one.
Oh.
So we'll add this as a strip. We'll take about a half an inch strip and we will add that. Hi Vijita. So when we add that, what are we going to do is, we're going to add another...
Hey, how are you holding it without your bare hands? Well, I'm using some type of invisible paper which you can see through, and I am now able to hold stuff without my hands.
So what are we going to do is...
Power.
Amazing, Ange. That is so
Look,
amazing.
I'm going to stretch it. and it will come out.
Yes, stretch it. So I'm going to make a triangle because you see, if in Batman's logo there are a lot of triangles. In almost all superhero logos, there are a lot of triangles. So do you guys watch superhero movies? Do you guys watch superhero movies? Which is your favorite superhero? Which is like your father?
Captain America.
Captain America. Ayan says Captain America.
100%.
I can see the comments. Yeah. So you made a homemade pen for your father. Amazing. So we will use that as a...
You
We
just
will
have to
use that
get this
triangle
out.
as a base. So his pant part is almost
Can I
ready.
use this?
Yeah, you take this one. Yeah, take this. Take this, the bigger
Thank
base.
you.
So what are we going to do now is we're going to mix a little yellow with white
I
because
like
to make his face,
yellow.
so the face gets a little skin tone. So can I have a little
Skin tone.
yellow? So we'll mix a little yellow with white and we'll get an amazing structure. So do you guys watch a lot of superhero movies? This is the last question I asked. Do you know? Good. Thank you, Sujit. Thank you. I'm glad you like
I made
it.
an arm. I made an arm since my mother ripped off a few pieces. So now she helped me make an arm.
Yay!
You see, this tiny one is the thumb, and these are the other fingers.
Okay. Yes, can you make
Can I
the
high
eyes?
five you?
Yay! Can you make the eyes? Can you make the eyes? This, you make the eyes like this. So with the eyes and all that parts, you see the eyes are like diamond shape. All our eyes are diamond shape, no? So that we can make with our hands.
Mama, this
we
is
can
how
make
you make the eyes. Look, so you have to make a circle.
Show them. Show them. What kind of circle you have to make.
You have to make a tiny yellow circle for Batman, and then after you're done with that, find the side, any side you want, and then just draw a triangle. Just take a little bit and draw a tiny triangle, like so, like.
So both the sides you make triangles. You
Like
make a
this.
roll and then you
Look,
press and you...
afterwards it will look like this.
See, it's beautiful eye shape has come. Yours is so cute. It's beautiful. So what we'll do is
It
we
almost
made
looks
the
like
mix
the
the
same
yellow
thing.
and the white, and we made like a tiny little rectangle out of it. Tiny rectangle out of it we
Tiny,
made.
tiny.
So
Not
we
that
put
big,
the
tiny,
rectangle on that. Ayansh, can you also? Oh, sorry, I forgot to apply my Fevicol A+.
Can I put the eyes on?
No, first you put the Fevicol A+ on.
Sure.
So we'll put the Fevicol A+
I want to
on.
stick the fabric.
And say, stick the face.
Fevicol
Stick the
A+.
face. Stick the face.
The base.
So we stick the face. And you know what Batman is?
Yeah.
What Batman cape has the eyes which are eyes which are covered. So for the covered eye, we will take another black clay and we'll roll it out.
Pow.
And we'll make it like this. Like the shape of our
Papa.
face.
Pow. Pie. Pop.
And you're doing funny badmashis.
No, I
many
was
movies.
talking and start with every word with P's.
Yeah. Cut it in a long strips. You cut them in a
Long.
long strips. And how do you make that eyes part?
I'm making a giant eye now.
You're making a giant eye now. Wonderful. How about you make the ears? With the black one, no. With the black one, make
Too big,
ears. Yes, too big. So where we are? So here it is. So for example, this is your face. And now you have to make the shape out of it, right? So what you do is you can take a little cutter. You can take the cutter. Always take a help of adult when you're using the cutter, okay? And then you mark it. You mark 2 lines and then you mark a little curvy thing. Very good. It is beautiful. So like a heart thing, you mark it and then you cut it out. Cut it out with
Where's the fabric?
the cutter. So when you cut it out with the cutter, it looks like
Where's the
this.
fabric?
It's on there. It looks like this. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is how it looks like. Yay!
Someone help us. Ah!
Yes, we have. So Ayansh, can you put all the Fevicol on it?
Okay.
Okay. So I'll tell you one thing. You know how the Father's Day was started? The Father's
Yes,
Day
please.
was started. There was this little girl. Her name was Maria. So what she did was she knew about the Mother's Day. So the Mother's Day was there and she really loved her father a lot. And her father's birthday was around the same time, June, July. So what she said was that there should be a Father's Day also, which should be near her father's birthday. So everyone thought it was a great idea to honor the fathers in our life, the fathers who are our our providers, who are our protectors, who are the people who pamper us the most. So then in the late 1800s, 1890s, the Father's Day as a concept, it started, and till date it is celebrated all through the world. Isn't that amazing? So till then our favicol is also set on it, and then we will add the
We didn't do time speed. We
face.
didn't do time speed like in your videos you watch.
Yeah.
We didn't do time speed. This is all made time.
Yeah, it's all made with time. So our face is also getting ready.
Now can I put
Our
the
face is
eyes
also
on?
getting ready. See. We put the skin, and we put the triangle, and then we put our face also, the cape also on top of it. I love how it's coming together. Amazing. You have any questions? I can see the questions also.
No, look at these two.
Hi, Danaya.
No, look at these two eyes.
Yeah.
Well, this was my eye.
Yeah, Ayansh, I love your eyes. Why don't you paste the eyes on it?
So I paste them up or down here.
Here. See, here.
On this
Here.
cover?
Here.
And this color?
Here. Like here, the eyes which are coming in.
Okay.
So-
these spots.
Yes. And in fact, somebody is so right, There are a lot of movies also, Ayansh, which have beautiful father-children relationship. Like Finding Nemo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like Lion King.
Yeah, remember?
Yeah. So did you watch any Father's Day special
like
movie?
George Washington.
Like there's also even in Indian cinema. Put. Put. So we are putting now the eyes. Slowly it is all coming together.
Can you make your
Yay!
eyes a little
Bigger, make. So this is how our eyes are coming together. See, it's looking nice. It's looking cute. Can I get a little thumbs up on that?
Can I
Press it
make
up,
your
press it up.
eyes a little more?
Ayansh is
like
fixing the
mine.
eyes. Till the time I'm going to roll a little more black clay, and I'm going to make the wings. When you make the cape is like a triangle, like I told you, on the back. So we'll roll a big piece of clay and make the triangle.
Like Cloudy and the Chance of Meatballs. That also has.
Cloudy and the Chance of Meatballs. That is also, yes, very nice father movie. Yes.
Oh no. I mean,
Yes.
that was horrible.
So you like to play with your papa, you like to watch movies with your papa, and today you're
And
going to
you're
gift
making
your
this
papa
For
also.
your papa. That means we are making this for our father. We are
Yeah.
making this one for our father.
Yeah,
We're
so-
instant going to give it to our father after this.
Instantly we are going to give it to our father. See, our triangle is ready. So on our triangle cake, wait. So make the ears. Here, take this, make the ears. Make the ears, baby.
Okay.
So Shiva, hi. So
Hi,
what we're going to
Shiva.
do is we're going to take this and we're going to attach the triangle from the back side like this. Like this we're going to attach it. And how are we going to attach it? With what best than Fevicol A+.
Did you know? I actually think Batman looks a lot like a cat.
Yeah. So Ayansh is attaching the ears. Ears are like pointed triangles. So you take
if you
your
want some help knowing how pointed ears looks, you're lucky if you have a cat, because you just bring it over and then see its ears, because he has the same ears as a cat but black.
Yes, and not only for your Fevicol and for your this crafting techniques, for all your Fevicol, all your crafting projects and all the videos and all the inspiration that you want, you can always log on to www.fevicreate.com, and you can also subscribe to them on the Facebook and the Instagram channel. And you can send in your photos when you make your Father's Day gift, be it a Batman, a superhero, or whatever you want to make. You can send it to us, and you can tag us at
Fevicreate.
Fevicreate @Fevicreate. Yes.
You know why he was looking? You know why Batman looks like black. Looks black.
Why?
They thought that since there's
So,
a black cat which can come to the street someday, they thought they could give it ears as a cat. And then when they thought about the cape was that when they thought about the name
Fast,
Batman,
fast,
they thought to give him superpowers to fly.
Yes.
Then they gave him the cape to help him steer. It's not just to look cool.
yes, they
It
help him
helps
give
them
the
steer.
steer. The cape
Or else
helps
you'll
you
be like
steer
this if
also.
you don't have a cape.
Yes, and also what you can do is you can create a Batman logo also. You can make two long ears and the wings, like how we made the entire thing. The same way you
I made
can
my
make
ears.
that.
I made my
And-
ears. And I'm Batman.
You're Batman, you're all superhero. So what is the superhero power that your papa has?
My papa is super protecting.
Super protecting power. Ayan says his papa has super protecting power. So what is the superhero of your papa? See, you can make this ready. And there's another tip that I'm going to give you. You can take a bowl and you can add a little Fevicol in it. And when you add a little Fevicol, okay, when you add a little Fevicol, you take brush and you coat it. You coat the entire thing with the Fevicol, with a layer of Fevicol. So it will get a beautiful shine. And here are,
Can I do it?
yes, you can do it.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'll take this and
Yes.
I'll take this.
Kids love painting. Don't they love painting? And don't you think your father is going to love it when you want to make something specially from all the material which is there at home, and plus your craft material, which is your creative
I'm
clay.
just turning into water when I put it.
It's okay, it'll dry up. You have to give it time to dry up, okay? Because the glue needs time to hold up. So here is your craft which is ready. How did you like it? Can we get a little comments on it? Hi Anjali, how are you liking it? Can you get a little comments? How is it
I'm
going?
giving its eyes a shine.
Yeah, you can all give it a little shine, and then what will happen is the life of the craft in the clay will be much longer. And this is another one that you can make. You can make it in a Iron Man shape. You can make it in any shape that you like. And just very busy giving it a layer of Fevicol so that there's a beautiful shine. And when he gives it to Papa, his Papa is going to be super happy. So you also
He
think
will,
about
he will have triple the happiness. You
he-
know why?
Why?
Because I already made him 2 presents and I didn't know we were gonna make this. So now I'm gonna give him 3 presents.
Wow. So it is going to be a
It's
present
sticking,
made
but
by
it's,
Ansh.
making white.
It's okay, that'll dry up. It'll dry up. You have to allow it time to dry up.
I'm putting a little bit inside so it can shine inside too.
Yeah.
But it's not.
Oh, okay.
A little bit inside.
Okay. So what we are going to do now is you're going to take your leave, and if you have any questions, you're free to answer it to us. And why don't you make this?
I am done. It looks so shiny and beautiful.
It looks very shiny and beautiful, and we have to give it time to dry. So our
But
craft is ready
But
with our.
if you just take this is what happens if you're not time enough. You'll just take one tissue or anything else and then wipe it. But after you wipe it, it will be white.
Yeah.
Then you will make evil Batman because evil Batman is white.
Ooh, so we let our Batman rest when it'll be dry and all.
Or else you'll let the sun shine on him and make him the evil Batman. We all hear it.
Yes, okay, come on now. We'll say bye. It's time to go now. So, thank you so much for watching
bye-bye.
and for your time and coming on a Sunday afternoon and doing this beautiful little craft with us. Do gift it to your father and tell him what amazing father that he is. I'm sure he knows that you love him a lot, but a little token of love will go a long
gonna
way
give him
and
one.
will make him smile even more. So thank you so much for watching and for all your crafting ideas. Keep on logging on to Fevicreate or
I'll give him this one. This one is
fevicreate.com
shining more.
and say, I'm so excited to give him right now only. But first of all, we'll say bye-bye.
I hope you come back tomorrow.
I hope you come back again on Sunday because we're going to keep crafting.
If
On
you keep on
February.
crafting, you'll get another certificate.
Yay! Bye bye.